children, good morning to all. Okay, my thought, you all are in fresh mind to watch my class. I think, I hope. Okay, shall we go to our lesson? Okay, wow. Okay, in our last class we finished about a blue dragonfly. Okay, children. Now we continue that. Okay, the proud dragonfly. It's a simple insect story. Okay, it is a very good story. Now we will see the proud insect. In our previous class, I said proud means perumai. I said then dragonfly you know very well. In our previous class, I said that also. So the proud dragonfly. Okay, proud means perumai, dragonfly means patampuchi. Okay, wow. Okay, children. Yesterday I said a proud dragonfly lives here. The proud dragonfly lives near a pond. Near means near means nothing. I tell in Tamil. Near means nothing da. Near means pakkathula. Okay, pond means kulam. Okay, children. One morning, it's sitting on a lotus. That time butterfly came. Okay, children. Okay, listen. 1 minute. Is sitting on a lotus. That time, what happened means butterfly came. Okay, listen. A proud dragonfly. Proud means we know. Proud means perumai. Dragonfly means tatambuchi. A proud dragonfly lives. Lives means வாழ்தல். Okay, lives near a pond. Pond means kulam. Near means pakkathula. A blue dragonfly lives near a pond. It is a very proud insect. Which insect means? Dragonfly is a very proud insect. One morning, blue dragonfly sitting on a lotus. That time, one butterfly came there. Okay, next. Hello butterfly, you look sad. See this picture. Hello butterfly, you look sad. Is it because my wings shine in the sun? What? Why should I feel sad? I know that I am a very beautiful and colorful insect. Okay, a blue dragonfly asked butterfly, why you look sad? Asked like that. But the butterfly said, why should I feel sad? I am a beautiful and colorful insect. So, why I should feel? Said like that. Then next one, an ant speaks as he is on his way to his anthill carrying food for the winner. Then butterfly went. Next, ant come on his way. This means butterfly. This means dragonfly. Butterfly came. Next, ant came. Okay, ant came that time. But a blue dragonfly asked, ant, where are you go? Like that. Then an ant said, I save food for winter. Okay, said like that. Then Surely you can find some work to do, can't you? All that you do all day is to sit there and feel so proud of yourself. Okay, I know you carry something, I know, but you can't. Okay, you can't. Okay, you do all day is to sit there, feel so proud of yourself. You carry something, I know, but you can't able to take that. Don't how to say means wait 1 minute, I will explain. An ant came that side on the way of blue dragonfly. Blue dragonfly asked, "Ant, what you are doing? What are you carrying?" Said like that. Ant tell, I carry food for winter. I carry food for winter. Said like that. Then, ant, you poor little fellow, you have to walk around your thin legs all day. You don't have beautiful shiny wings like mine. How sad. Okay. Next dragonfly said, "Oh ant, you have no beautiful wings. You don't have beautiful wings like me. You are very small insect." Said like that. Then next, first butterfly, second ant, third one ladybug. Yes, in our previous class I explained ladybug. Ladybug means this insect. Okay, this insect is a ladybug. A ladybug flies low near the pond. Okay, first of all it flies upside, then slowly low downside near the pond. "Hey ladybug, don't you wish you were a slim me?" Okay, that time a blue dragonfly said, "Hey ladybug, you have no idea to slim about me?" Said like that. "Ha ha, I am happy as I am." Ladybug said, "Ha ha, I am very happy. I have no idea to slim about you. I am very happy. No idea." Said like that. Next, bumblebee. Fourth insect, bumblebee. Bumblebee. A bumble bushes by happily. I said in our previous class, bushes means sound of bumblebee. That is called bushes. A bumblebee bushes very happily. Very happily it bushes. "Bumblebee, you must be so bored with your yellow and black color body. My wings change color during day." Okay. Then a blue dragonfly said, "Hey bumblebee, your body have yellow color and black color. See this picture. Hey bumblebee, your body have yellow color and black color picture. That is not good. You want to change me. Change like me. You want to change like me." Said, "You better stop boasting about your looks, dragonfly. My wings are good enough for me." Then bumblebee said, "You stop it, dragonfly. You stop it. My wings enough to me. You stop it." Said like that. Next, beetle. Fifth, beetle. Beetle means, see this picture. This is called beetle. Okay. Beetle squawks as it comes by. Okay. Squawks means, yesterday I said, in our last class I said squawks. Squawks means sound of beetle. Beetle sound is called squawks. "Hey beetle, you scared me. Please do not come near me like that again." Hey beetle, you scared me. Hey beetle, உனக்கு என்ன பார்த்தா பயமா இருக்கா? அப்படினா நீ என் பக்கத்துல வராத அப்படினு சொல்லுது. We are all wonderful in our own way, just as you are. Hey beetle, உனக்கு என்ன பார்த்தா வந்து பயமா இருக்கா? பயமா இருந்தா நீ என் பக்கத்துல வராத போ அப்படினு சொல்லுது. beetle, "No, நான் என்ன உன்னை பார்த்து பயப்படணும்" அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி ரிப்ளை பண்ணுது. Next, a hungry. Sixth one, CHAMBLE. A hungry shamlan walks in quietly. Shamlan means nothing. See this picture. This is called shamlan. Yeah, hungry. Hungry means fussy. A hungry shamlan walks in quietly. Okay. Quietly means without making noise. Okay, quietly means without making noise. சத்தம் இல்லாம. Quietly means without making noise. Okay, second. Wow, what a colorful dragonfly. He is so foolish to sit near the rock and talk to his friends. He is my lunch for day. Okay. That time a hungry shamlan. Hungry means fussy. Hungry shamlan walks. Walks means slowly walks. Slowly walks without making noise. Okay. A hungry dragonfly slowly walk but without making noise. Wow. Shamlan said, wow, what a beautiful dragonfly, what a colorful dragonfly. But it is very foolish one. Why? Because it sits near the rock. Rock means fire. But it is a foolish. It is sitting near the rock and talk to his friends. Sitting near the rock and to speak with his friends. So he is my lunch. So dragonfly is my lunch, said shamlan. The shamlan catches the proud dragonfly with his sticky tongue. It munches and eats the dragonfly. So see this picture. 1 minute, see this picture, ma. This is rock. Okay. Dragonfly sitting near. இது வந்து ராக்கு. ராக் மீன்ஸ் பாறை. பாறைக்கு பக்கத்துலேயே பாருங்கள் இந்த dragonfly உட்காந்துருக்குது. ஸோ இந்த shamlan வந்து என்ன பண்ணுது, அந்த பாறை மேலே ஏறி அப்படியே பாருங்கள் இந்த dragonfly-யை பிடிக்கிற மாதிரி காமிச்சிருக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ பிடிச்சதுக்கப்புறமா என்ன பண்ணுது, இங்கே பாருங்கள் இந்த பிக்சரில் இந்த dragonfly-யை பிடிச்சி இந்த shamlan வந்து நல்லா சாப்பிடுது. ஸோ மற்ற இன்செக்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருக்குது. ஏன் அப்படின்னா ஒவ்வொரு இன்செக்டையும் இது ரொம்ப டீஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கு. நீ அழகாக இல்லை, நீ என்ன மாதிரி வந்து மாறு, நீ ரொம்ப ஃபேட்டாக இருக்க, அதாவது ரொம்ப அப்படியே ரொம்ப குண்டாக இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கிற. இந்த பீட்டில் கிட்டலாம் என்ன சொல்லுச்சு, சாரி பீட்டில் இல்லை, பம்பிள் பீ கிட்டலாம் யூ ஹாவ் நோ ஐடியா டு ஸ்லிம் அபவுட் மீ அந்த மாதிரிலாம் சொன்னிச்சு. ஸோ இந்த dragonfly-யை இந்த shamlan பிடிச்ச உடனே இந்த அனிமல்ஸை இந்த இன்செக்டெல்லாம் பாருங்கள் ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக என்ஜாய் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இந்த பிக்சர் காமிச்சிருக்காங்க. Jump, 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 very happily, very, very happily dog. Okay, see this picture. Sorry, see this bird, insects. See these insects. These all insects are teased by blue dragonfly. These all insects are teased by blue dragonfly. This is very important. Okay, next one. Okay, before I tell the story 1 minute again. Okay, children, listen. A proud dragonfly. Proud means we know proud. A proud dragonfly also you know. In previous I explained about dragonfly. What is the meaning of dragonfly and what is the meaning of proud I explained. Okay children, now we listen here. A proud dragonfly. First of all, a blue dragonfly. Proud dragonfly or blue dragonfly? Same. Okay, wow. The dragonfly has two names. A proud dragonfly and blue dragonfly. Okay, wow. A proud dragonfly lives near a pond. A proud dragonfly lives near a pond. That is a very proud insect. Okay, it is a very proud insect. Then it lives near a pond. In our previous class, I explained what is the meaning of near and pond. I explained. Okay, children, listen. It lives near a pond. One morning, it is sitting on a lotus. That time, one butterfly came. Okay. Then suddenly, dragonfly asked butterfly, "Why you are looking sad?" Asked like that. Then butterfly said, "Why should I feel? I am a beautiful and colorful insect. So why should I feel sad?" Said like that. Then second ant came on that way. Blue dragonfly said, "Ant, what you are doing?" Said. Then ant said, "I carry food for winter." Said like that. And then suddenly blue dragonfly said, "You are a little insect. You are not able to fly. Walking only you able. Not able to fly." Said. Then ladybug. Then ladybug went that side. It flows near the pond. Okay, first it flies upside, then it flows slowly come near the pond. Then dragonfly asked, hey ladybug, you have no idea to swim about me." Said like that. Then ladybug said, "I am a beautiful, you stop your words." Said like that. Then bumblebee, your body has two colors, black and yellow. You want to change like me. Said. Then bumblebee said, "You stop. I know about me." You stop. Said like that. Then next beetle. Came that side. Blue dragonfly asked beetle, "You scared me?" Said asked like that. Then beetle, why I scared about you?" Said. Then next, all insects are teased by a blue dragonfly. At that time, one chameleon went that side. Chameleon said, "Wow, what a beautiful and colorful dragonfly. It is my lunch." But one mistake it doing. What means? It's sitting near a rock. So I want to catch this very easily. Say think like that. Then the chameleon very fastly catch the dragonfly. Other insects are very happy. Why? Because all are teased by a blue dragonfly. All are very enjoying there. That's all. Then tick the correct picture. See here, all the insects in the story lived in here. Insects are lived in here. A pond already we know. So pond. Then dash is too proud of itself. Which insect has proud means dragonfly. So first question what means? All insects are lived near a pond. So first all the insects in the story lived near dash pond. Dash is too proud of itself. Dragonfly is very proud of itself. Then match the following. Bushes, bumblebee, bushes. Squawks, beetle. Colorful, butterfly. Shiny, dragonfly. Okay, that's all. Third one, listen, think and write. What color is the dragonfly? Dragonfly color is blue color. The dragonfly is blue. 4 questions they give. Now we will write the answer. Okay. They give 4 questions. Now we will write the answer to that questions. Okay. First question, what color is the dragonfly? What color is the dragonfly? We know already dragonfly color is blue. The dragonfly is blue. Second question. What is the ant carrying? What is the ant carrying? An ant carrying food. The ant is carrying food. Already we know ant carrying food. For winter also food. Main word is here blue, here food. Okay, listen. What color is the dragonfly? The dragonfly is blue. What is the ant carrying? The ant is carrying food. Okay. Third question. What color is the bumblebee? We know the bumblebee color. The bumblebee has two colors, that is black and yellow. The bumblebee has two colors, that is yellow and black. Very simple questions only. See here. Okay, students, listen. Third question. What color is the bumblebee? Bumblebee. The bumblebee color yellow and black. Yellow and black. Next, fourth one. Why did the shamrock eat the dragonfly? Why did the shamrock eat the dragonfly? Okay, children, listen. The shamrock eat the dragonfly because it was hungry. Hungry means we know already, because it was hungry. Okay, that's all. Third question. What color is the bumblebee? Bumblebee color we know yellow and black. Why did the shamrock eat the dragonfly? The shamrock eat the dragonfly because it was hungry. Because it was hungry. Okay, 4 questions over. Then circle the insects. Listen here. Here they gave one box. Circle the insects. Insects only we will circle. Okay, listen. First one, lion. Lion is not an insect. Horse. Horse also not an insect. Then caterpillar. Caterpillar is an insect. So we circle caterpillar. Then butterfly. Butterfly is an insect. So we circle. Elephant. Elephant is an animal. So leave that. Dragonfly. Dragonfly is an insect. Circle that one. Then snail. Snail is an insect. So snail. Then ant. Ant also insect. So circle that one. Tiger. No. Camel, no. Grasshopper is an insect, so we circle that one. Then firefly. Firefly also a insect, so circle that one. Caterpillar, butterfly, dragonfly, snail, ant, grasshopper, firefly. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the action of the insect. Okay. Already they give insect pictures. Now we want to write that insect action. Okay. Okay. First butterfly. Butterfly ke fly. Butterfly fly. F-L-Y. Fly. Butterfly fly. Second picture, grasshopper. Grasshopper means vertically. So it is jump. Jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. Okay. Third one, caterpillar. Caterpillar crawl. ஊர்ந்து போறது. Crawl. C-R-A-W-L. Crawl. Okay, da. Okay, listen here. In this class, we saw a blue dragonfly. Sorry, a proud dragonfly story. We know clearly the story. I hope. So everyone, please listen this story. It is an insect story. A blue dragonfly always think I am a proud. Think like that. It teaches another insects. Then finally the chameleon came and swallow that dragonfly. So other insects are very happy that time. So proud is not necessary to insect only, human being also. Proud is not necessary. We learned that story. Proud is not necessary to human beings, animals, birds, and etc. Okay. That's all. Then we will see in our next class about the second lesson. Okay. Thank you, children.